Whether you're an aspiring pilot or a seasoned aircraft mechanic, the realm of aviation studies is diverse and complex. It encompasses everything from understanding aerodynamics and weather patterns to mastering the intricacies of aircraft maintenance and repair. Studying such vast and multifaceted subjects can seem overwhelming, but with the right approach, it doesn't have to be. Enter the Pomodoro Technique, a time management method that can help you stay focused, increase productivity, and make the most of your study sessions. The Pomodoro Technique, developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s, is named after the tomato-shaped kitchen timer that Cirillo used as a university student. The premise is simple. You break your work into 25-minute segments, known as Pomodoros, separated by 5-minute breaks. After completing 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This approach promotes focused studying while reducing mental fatigue. To apply the Pomodoro Technique to aviation studies, first, identify your study tasks. Before starting, determine what topics or tasks you want to focus on during each Pomodoro. It could be understanding the principles of aerodynamics, reviewing an aircraft maintenance manual, or learning about navigation systems. Having a clear objective for each Pomodoro can enhance your focus and productivity. Set your timer. Use a physical timer, your phone, or a dedicated Pomodoro app to track your 25-minute study segments. Remember, during a Pomodoro, your goal is to maintain uninterrupted focus on your task. Take scheduled breaks. After each Pomodoro, take a 5-minute break. Stand up, stretch, grab a cup of coffee, or simply rest your eyes. These short breaks can prevent burnout and help maintain your mental agility. Longer breaks are essential. After completing 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break. This can range from 15 to 30 minutes. During this time, try to engage in activities unrelated to your studies to allow your mind to rest and rejuvenate. Adjust as necessary. The standard Pomodoro timing is a guideline, not a rule. Some may find that a longer or shorter Pomodoro works better for them. Feel free to adjust the time frames to suit your study style and endurance. The beauty of the Pomodoro Technique lies in its flexibility. Here are a few tips to customize it for your aviation studies. Incorporate practical components. Use your break times to incorporate practical elements, such as assembling model airplanes or experimenting with flight simulators. This can help solidify theoretical knowledge and make learning more enjoyable. Integrate collaborative sessions. If you're studying in a group, use the Pomodoro Technique to structure your study sessions. This can increase productivity and ensure everyone stays on track. Use Pomodoros for revision. Use individual Pomodoros to review different topics, helping ensure you cover a broader range of material. Studying aviation is a demanding yet rewarding endeavor. The Pomodoro Technique, with its focus on balance and productivity, can be an effective tool in your arsenal. Remember, the aim is not just to learn, but to understand and enjoy the process. So set your timers and get ready for a more focused, efficient, and successful learning experience.